Looks like we're all clear.
Okay, just so you know, whether we get the hammer working or not, I'm glad we came.
Yeah, but if we don't get the hammer working, whether you came or not won't matter. Just find a way back up.
Over there! Incoming!
Oi! What the hell is that?
It's a carrier! And it's not alone! Back up! Back up!
Don't let it box us in!
Just keep firing! I owe you one!
Bloody hell. Does every carrier burst apart like that?
Yeah, pretty much. Our way out's above us. Let's get up there. Jack, get the doors open. Lift! This way! Everyone get on!
Who knew putting a rocket together would be so difficult?
Let's see. Scientists, rocket scientists, and anyone who's used the expression, it's not rocket science.
What'd you think? We just push a button marked launch?
Oh, I see. Yeah. Pick on the handsome one. Cut him down to size.
So, we're back across. And for the record, I'm the handsome one, okay?
Paddock, we're almost out of here. Any leads on that rocket?
Yes, it's at a turntable in the east, beyond the Dune Sea. There's a rail bridge blocking the way, but don't worry. My people will raise it for you. So, out in the desert, find train tracks. Then you'll know you're on the right path.
Copy that. All right, let's head for the skiff.
You know, all this time I thought I was the handsome one.
Oh, dear God.
Hey, Paddock, still there? I got a question for you.
No, I'm on lunch break. Of course I'm still here.
Okay, what exactly stops you from launching the hammer?
The usual problems faced by 200 dedicated patriots trying to defeat 3,000 cowards.
You know, you could just have agreed to the armistice. And spared a lot of lives.
A Groznian proverb for you. A just war is better than an unjust peace.
So, just exactly how many Goraznian proverbs justify war?
Most of them. Children, one more thing. The bridge controls one network, so so the base commander's virus didn't affect them. But the bridge itself hasn't been lifted in decades.
What are you saying? You worried about your people not being able to raise it?
No, they'll handle it. But that bridge, it's old and rusty. Just when you're beneath it, don't linger.
Copy that. All right, you heard him. Let's head for the bridge.
So, this Paddock, how does Barrett even know it?
Apparently, Paddock served in the COG for a while.
That guy was caught. When?
Unclear. They didn't seem that eager to talk about it either.
Come on, let's get past the bridge and over to that turntable.
Boz, as a Vasgari, are you feeling any, I don't know, connection to this place? Nah. To be honest, I'm glad my parents came to their senses and left. I mean, growing up round here, in the desert, shaking sandwash from your shoes? Nah, I'm good, mate. You know this always wasn't a desert, right? Most of this used to be seashore. Long before I was born, mate. There's the bridge. I hope Paddock's nomads can raise it. There it goes. Well, they haven't dropped it yet. That's good, right?
And we're through. Onto the turntable.
You guys seeing this artillery battery? Might be worth a stop.
And a wind flare now? Seriously?
On the bright side, we get to see how those fan formations are made. Not really a bright side, though. All right, we're through the storm. Hey, Kate, nice driving. Or stiffing, or whatever you call it. Guys, we're getting close. Those are launch towers. And check it out! There's the rocket! Is that mounted on some kind of train?
Then that's how we'll get it back to the hangar.
Huh. Our rocket train's facing the wrong direction. Which is
why it's called a turntable.
Grab the other side and let's get in there. Okay, now, how do we turn this thing?
Started by finding a control room.
Hey, Swan.
Perfect.
Ready when you are.
You know what to do, Delta!
Delta, on the left! Zion!
Nicely done!
Flash out!
Another Scion!
Incoming frag! Got you! Flashbang out!
Oh shit, orange coming in!
Stay down! Tossing a flashbang! Flash out!
You brought an axe to a gunfight, mate!
All right. Turntable's clear.
Come on, let's get that train turned around. Looks like a control room to me.
Now to access the controls.
Jack, get that train pointed toward the hangar.
Beautiful. All that's left now is to get it back to the hangar.
Oh, reckon that train's a step ahead of us.
Shit. Come on, we can catch up to it in the skiff.
Train's getting away.
All right, everyone, hold on. Here we go.
Why does everything keep leaving without us?
Paddock, Baird, the rocket's on a train headed for the hangar.
Wait, what? It won't make it! The bridge has to be lowered first!
Can't your people do it?
They're not there anymore! Why did you send the train back without lowering the bridge?
Because we didn't... Oh, forget it, we'll lower it ourselves!
Hey, we gotta get back to the bridge controls! Hurry!
What do you think I'm doing?
We're gonna lose the rocket if we don't get to the bridge controls! Hurry, goddammit! Skip order! That train's gonna beat us to the bridge! We're almost there! Kate, keep going! There's a bridge control house. Bring us in close.
All right, go, go!
Whoa!
Oh, you have got to be fucking kidding me!
Paramount! Clock is ticking, people! The clock is not ticking! The clock is about to explode! Train's coming! We gotta get that bridge down! Now! Let's move! Go!
No! The bridge controls are wrecked!
Then we bring it down the old-fashioned way. Grab that sailboat.
Okay, what the hell am I shooting at?
That big clam. That'll bring it down.
Got it! It's coming down!
Holy shit! That's I cut it a little close.
Oh, yeah, it did. Come on. Let's just get back to the skiff.
No rest for the wicked, people. Forward!
Come on, Delta, put him down!
Coming in! We got a pouncer!
It's on me! Last one's down. We're good here.
Good news, children. I don't know how you did it, but my scouts have just informed me that your rocket train safely entered the hangar.
Glad to hear it, Paddock.
That's the end of my good news. You have another task. Go secure the Hammer's targeting beacons.
Targeting beacons? But for the Hammer of Dawn?
Our system was based on targeting beacons. I was saving that info until we knew you could get the rocket.
So where are these beacons?
In the southwest, Cosmonaut Training Facility. And to be clear, if we don't secure those beacons, we don't have a Hammer of Dawn.
Okay, we're on it.
Okay, we're coming up on the old docks. Let's check on Paddock's drill. So, Kate, your headaches, they're really gone?
Yeah. As soon as we killed the matriarch, they ended. Haven't had one since.
And this idea you have about your mother being...
It's not an idea. I saw her. I saw whatever she is now.
Wonder how Jen's gonna react when she figures out we're getting the Hammer online. Again. Settlement 2 shifted her thinking a bit. Obviously, no thanks to me.
Meanwhile, I often wonder who stuffed that gigantic stick up her ass.
Firm no comment from Captain Phoenix on that one.
Paddock, Baird. We're heading into the training facility for the beacons.
Good to know. We're standing by.
I've been wondering, how the hell did all this UIR space program stuff not get out? I mean, how did the COG keep it secret?
Simple. And the COG also runs the newspapers. And historians have to apply for a permit to write books. Secrets? Secrets are easy to keep.
Yeah. We can all agree on that one.
Well, guys, check out this crater. What the heck happened here?
The COG happened. They fired a light mass missile on us when we were moments from seizing control of that entire facility.
Wait, I'm confused. The COG? I thought this was a UIR civil war.
The losers don't write the history books, Vescari. You, of all people, should know that.
Glad you could rope my ethnicity into the discussion again. Yeah, thanks for that.
All right, let's see what we got in here. Help me.